friends to my channel. In this episode I will show you how I normally cook my fish, steaming and or boiling in coconut cream. Let's start cooking. So we have 2 of our fish here. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pot. I will cut them in half so it can fit nicely in the pan. But you can cook them whole if you like. Okay, that's perfect. Now this is the trick I've learned from my mother or my mum. In the islands we catch the fish straight from the ocean or from the sea and we cook it straight away. Unfortunately, we're living overseas. Most of the fish that we buy from the shops, some of them are frozen. So this is what my mum showed me and I've tested it and I can totally agree with her. So she will boil the fish first for about a few minutes just to get rid of the frozen smell from the fish. So you boil your fish for about a few minutes and then you empty the water out before you start cooking again. It's up to you, you don't have to do it. Some people prefer to just cook the fish straight away, but that's a technique or an idea I learned from my mother, thanks to Mother Dear. Just to cook, get rid of the frozen water first or the frozen smell of the fish and then continue on. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and cut our onions. Cilantro, you just cut it in half. Go ahead and just chop 2 cloves of garlic. 2 to 3 if you like. You don't have to add the garlic or cilantro. Normally in the islands we just add onion, salt and coconut cream, but I've tried adding these ingredients and it makes it taste nice as well. Feel free to add whatever ingredients you prefer, whether you want to just use onion and coconut cream and salt, it's even tastes nice, or just add what I'm adding. This is what I was talking about. You see the impurities have just come up from the fish being frozen. So I'm going to wash this completely and then I'll come back and continue on cooking. Our coconut cream's been boiling for, I would say, about 5 minutes. I'm going to add this special ingredient. I've tried it before and I quite like it. You don't have to add it. This is a Filipino flavoring. It's Magic Sarap, they call it. It's a Filipino flavoring. I'm adding 1 sachet. Give it a good stir. And that gives it a nice taste and flavoring to the fish along with the coconut cream. I'm going to add our fish now back to the pan. Turn this other one around. Okay, we're now going to add our coriander and then we will turn off the oven. Our fish is cooked now. Okay everyone, that's our steamed fish with all those flavorings that I have used and prepared. So let's go ahead and taste it. Okay, I've said the prayer. My husband will help me to eat the fish. I'm having it with cassava manioca. You taste the coconut cream. This magic flavouring, the Filipino flavouring, gives it a really nice flavour to the fish and coconut cream. It's different. Okay. Yum. Well, thank you for cooking with me and helping me to cook our fish. Our magic ingredients with our cilantro, coriander and coconut cream. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your families and friends. Again, thank you to all those who have shown love and support by subscribing and commenting through the videos that I have shared in the past few months. It has been a good 3 months now since I started this journey, and I am enjoying every moment of it, sharing my passion for cooking with all of you. So thank you so much to all my young viewers, my young friends. Thank you for helping your mum and dad learn to cook and to cook the meals for your family. Take care and be safe, and I will catch up in the next episode. Bye everyone.